Hello, my name is Heriberta Gonzalez Camimura. I am a language teacher and I'm here to talk to you about prompter kits for story listening. We are going to start with the three main benefits of pre-made prompters. Number one, and one that is very important, is time saving. Number two, grounded in expertise. And number three, flexibility. Let's review these benefits one by one. Time saving. Who doesn't want to save time? These pre-made prompters eliminate the need for extensive research for stories or even for the drawings. I have tried it myself, and I can tell you that it can take a lot of time to find the right story, to rewrite the story, to adapt it to the level that you want. And on top of that, once you create the prompter, you have to find the right drawing. I'm not an artist and I can sometimes do some basic drawings, but it's a different thing when you have to express an emotion, right? With the face, the eyes, the mouth, etc. Or even with a stick figure, right? What is the right position? What is the right movement to convey the meaning of a verb, of an action? So these pre-made prompters will really save a lot of time. Grounded in expertise. These prompters are designed by Dr. Benico Mason. She created the method and she is been teaching a foreign language with this method and applying these techniques, these prompters. So you really benefit from her extensive experience. Flexibility. When you work with these pre-made prompters, you will have a solid framework that is provided. However, you will have that space, that freedom to add your own personality, your own style. So obviously we all have different abilities, skills, again, to draw. So do not feel like you have to replicate exactly what you see on the prompter. It's going to be your own, again, based on your own abilities and skills. And of course, your own way of conveying the story. Now, how can we maximize the prompter's effectiveness? We are going to go over these 5 strategies one by one. Understand the purpose. We have to recognize and always remember that the primary goal of this prompter is to facilitate language acquisition. We are not teaching a drawing class. So this is very, very important to always keep in mind. Visual representations. This is essential. This is very important, again, to keep in mind that when you get your pre-made prompter, the list of words and phrases will have the drawings. These drawings, again, are guides, are conceptual representations, but you do not need to replicate them exactly. The drawing will be your own drawing. It will be based on your skills, again, and your style. Talking about style, embrace your style. So again, we said that these pre-made prompters offer you this solid framework, but you have flexibility. And this is where we have to emphasize again that you will be able to adapt it to your own skills, to your own style and personality. Strategic word placement. So you will notice that not every word or phrase requires a drawing. So you will find that some of these words or phrases will have a synonym, an antonym, an explanation, definition, or even translation. So there will be some specific cases, which are not that many, but some cases where you need to translate it. And lastly, overcome drawing inhibitions. So do not let self-doubt about your abilities as a drawer stop you from trying this method. Why? Because, as we said before, this is not a drawing class. This is a language class. So the drawings are just the tools that you are using to convey the message, to make your story comprehensible for your students. So I hope that this clarifies some of your questions, and I hope that you have a lot of fun trying story listening with your students.